Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Avery 10-tab dividers for 3-ring binders, a must-have tool for anyone looking to organize their work and personal projects with ease. If you're in search of the best binder dividers with 10 tabs, look no further. These dividers stand out for their excellent design and versatility. First, let's talk about the vibrant, multicolored tabs. The contemporary arched design gives your binder a modern, sleek look. Each divider is pre-printed with tab numbers, making it easy to categorize your documents. But here's the real kicker. These dividers aren't just functional, they're customizable. You can easily add your own titles, graphics, and even a logo to the table of contents page, thanks to the free templates provided by Avery on their website. This makes it perfect for anything from training manuals to project binders. Now, let's discuss the material. These dividers are made of durable paper that's reinforced on both sides, ensuring they last long without tearing. The hole and tab reinforcements are made to withstand frequent handling, so you don't have to worry about them falling apart over time. Whether you're using the dividers in a portrait or landscape orientation, the flexible design works in both cases. What's also great about these dividers is their ease of use. They fit perfectly into standard 3-ring binders, making organization a breeze. Whether you're working on a professional project or sorting personal files, these dividers will help you stay organized with minimal effort. And finally, don't forget about the convenience. These dividers are available on Amazon for an affordable price, with quick shipping options to ensure you get them when you need them. If you're in India or anywhere else around the world, don't worry, shipping is available internationally. So, if you're ready to take your organizational game to the next level, the Avery 10-tab dividers for 3-ring binders are definitely a product you should check out. Stay tuned for more reviews and tips right here on Product Critique.